Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check Mac OS version and free 50 plus GB disk space, because game files and temp caches grow fast. Once done, decide whether you'll use a native Mac client or run Windows via virtualization. This determines the next tools. Install Homebrew and Xcode command line tools to manage packages and update GPU drivers for stability. You'll also create a dedicated user account or folder for game files, which simplifies permissions and avoids conflicts during installation. Now install and configure the runtime environment. If using virtualization, create a Windows VM, allocate at least 8 GB RAM and 4 CPU cores, and enable GPU pass-through or Metal/DirectX translation for performance. Make sure the VM disk is SSD-backed and network set to bridged for downloads. Install Windows updates, then add Visual C++ redistributables and DirectX runtimes. These are required libraries. Once ready, download the launcher inside the VM, sign in, and start the game installer. Finish by optimizing performance and applying final checks. In-game, set medium textures, target 60 FPS, and lower resolution if needed to reduce GPU load. Close background apps on both Mac OS and the VM, enable the VM's performance mode, and confirm GPU acceleration is active. If the game crashes or shows artifacts, inspect logs for missing DLLs or GPU errors, update drivers and runtimes, and try reinstalling the launcher. If problems persist, test the native Mac client or alternate VM settings to isolate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.